This is Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show how you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So first order of business is to launch Settings app, then enter the About Phone category, the very first one that you'll have. And even from here, you can see the general idea on how much storage you have in total and what part of it is being currently used. But if you would like to see more, just tap at the storage rectangle or section over here. And the following page will contain such data as, the amount of storage that you have in general, which we've already seen, the amount of storage occupied and free or available as well. And on top of that, you can also see what exactly is occupying your storage, or free up some additional memory by cleaning or clearing the storage. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.